Art Byrne wrote a great book called The Lean Turnaround. Art and I have been friends, and Art invited me to actually go to a Celte in Belgium, one of his companies, and I got to see firsthand what Art talks about in his book when he says, lean is the most strategic move you can do to transform your company. By applying faster setups, you improve delivery, which makes your competitors lose market share, so your competitors will increase inventory to compete with such short deliveries, increasing their investment, making their costs higher. Your competitors then have to try to pull more customers by reducing prices, which will further erode even more their profits. If you understand that lean is not a tool, but a strategy, you will have a competitive advantage that's impossible to beat. Now, I saw this firsthand in Art's company because his setup times, his mold changes were under 5 minutes. These were mold changes that would take any other company in the world 6 to 8 hours to do. But I saw it with my own eyes, Art do these fantastic, incredible SMED, single minute exchange of die mold changes. As a result of that, Art's team showed me a warehouse that was 80,000 square feet that he had inventory in that was empty. He no longer needed all that space because he could perform just in time, forcing your competitors to stock more inventory and further erode their prices. It was a strategy like I've never seen in living color in one of Art's companies.